Yo, one. This is your girl Kimiko Versatile, and now I'm gonna teach you how to do the dig it. You don't know, it's my move created by me, and it's a part of Afro jam, stylish move, and Brukout dancehall. So let's get to it. Yeah. So you have one, turn your hands facing each other, and you have 1, feet are moving, 2, 3, 4, and you dig it. You come up. Make a circle with the shoulder. Boom. So palms facing together in the center. You're going to shift one, alternate the arms, going down, pumping down, and then the feet, the heel is going to go forward while you're doing that. So it's like 1, yeah, 2, 3, 4. Like you're digging something in the ground. 4, right? Then you turn the palms facing towards you, both of them, and you do a pumping action. 1, 2, and the torso going forward while the arms coming down. So 1, 2. You have that? So if they do